This is curry, the top layer, red color. This is not what you want in your body. When you buy curry, remove the top layer. This is all oil and it's burning. All biscuits contains oil. They are made using oil. This is quite unhealthy. Mary biscuit is burning. Oh goodness. All biscuits burn because there are a lot of oil to make biscuits. This is my biscuits. I'm gonna test to see if these biscuits will burn. Conclusion is that all biscuits were burned because they use oil to make. It is still burning. It refused to stop.
要关注我的视频，点击
subscribe。